Hi guys, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to design the login form and make the validation part. In this tutorial, I am going to teach about the main form. Okay. I already create the main form here. Double click and open it. Here, this one will be our login main form. So click on the main form and go to the property, your right side here. You have to go to the property which is a form loader, a form border style. Default come as sizeable, you make it as none. Okay, that will be perfect. Another important stuff is you have to make the form full screen. Okay, the main form will be open at the full screen. Okay, so let's go to my desktop. So let's right click and personalize and display and get the size resolutions. Okay, this is the current resolution of my window. Get the current resolution over here. So let's type here, click and go to the property size. Here defaultly this is the size of this window. Here 366 width and what is the height of that? Okay, 160, 68. Press enter key and apply the form. Okay, so now let me run and see. Okay, see if the username and password both are correct. Click login. Here this one will be your main form. Okay, so let's stop it. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to go to the toolbox and make the header. So I need one panel here. I need two panels. So double click one, another one is double click. I need two panels. Other one is okay. I got one panel only here. So let's click it again. One panel. First get it one panel. And here you have to make the form size like this. Here. This is the header. You have to make the color as the same color which you given your login form. Okay, the same color you have to apply. Don't apply more colors. Okay, that is not a professional way. Okay, the same color you have to apply here also. Go to the back color property and web, select the color as dark red. Okay, this is the color which I applied in my login form also. Again go to the footer here. Footer again I am going to add the panel here like this. Here let's do like this. Increase the size of the decrease the size of the footer. Okay, so let's send here. Right, now let's change the color as the same color. Okay, so let's go back to my property window and back color choose as dark red. Okay, this is the thing you must apply. Now it will be great, look great. Now another stuff what I'm going to do is here when the person login, okay, if the person mean the username mean Kumar, if the person login, the particular person's IDs, the employee IDs goes to my main form. Okay, the person who accessing in the system. Okay, that is the very important stuff you have to do. Okay, so let's do the stuff. Okay, so go to the main form. Here you have to go to the label property to drag on your form. Here you have to call the ID here, employee ID here, just like this, just leave it. Here I am going to give the different color as white color, sorry, not background color, front color. Okay, we no need to change the background color, we need to change the labels front color also, font color with bold and 16. Okay, that's enough. This one will be the employee ID. Okay, it display here the person who log in this system. Okay, so the foreground will be white. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to my login form here, this one, login form. Here double click on the login, here go here, this one will be the main form. If it is true, it's accessing the main form. Here what I'm going to do is, here I'm write another important stuff is main form, it's containing the label 1. Okay, label 1 we give the name as LBL employee. Okay, I change the name as LBL employee. Here go to the login form, and here I'm going to add here main dot LBL employee dot text equal to dr. Here you have to, within the bracket you have to write the ID, the employee ID. So go back to your database table and click on the employee table here. If the person Kumar login, so this is the employee ID. It belongs to employee ID 1 here. The Kumar is a person who accessing your system. This particular ID will be displayed on the main form. Okay, so that easily identify the person who accessing the particular point of sale system. If it is some shop, there are many point of sale systems are there. So there are many workers are working on the system. Who is the person who accessing that system? Okay, so we must provide their ID. Okay, so here what's the ID column name? EMP ID. You have to write like this. What is the error? Yeah, I got the error. If you write like this, in C# you have to put this bracket. In VB you have to put this bracket as well. Okay, here not single quotation, double quotation. That will be the error. Okay, I wrote like C#. Okay, now its error will be gone. Now let me test it. Okay, here this main form, this one will if the username and password both are correct, it login the its links goes to the main form. The particular username IDs goes to here label employee.text mean. Here there will be the label which name is LBL EMP. So what I wrote is here LB main form, it has label which name is LBL employee equal into this relevant field ID. Okay, this particular person who login the system, the particular person's IDs go and display under the main form. Okay, in this position, in this place. Okay, so let's start and see. Okay, here Kumar 1 2 3, click login. Here the ID will be displayed here. Okay, I hope you got the concept. Again, let's close here. I am going to add another person, so you have to easily understand the concept. here this one we don't need, this auto increment part. Employee ID 2, name Raja, contact number something like that, email address j@mail something like that you have to write, and date of birth you have to write, give the correct date of birth, the city main India, username Raja, and password 321. Okay, click go. Okay, I entered 2 persons over here. Now let's check the system how it's work, and this time I'm going to log in the system as Raja's username, Raja 321. Click login. Here the employee ID will be displayed this time 2. Okay, they had the first time 1, now it's 2. Okay, now the person who log in the system, who is the person who log in the system is Raja. Okay, you easily identify. Okay, you go to your database, you can check your employee details, you can easily understand here. Raja, it belongs to employee number 2. He is the person who log into the system. Okay, because the employee number ID should be unique here also as well. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you have understood the stuff so far. In my next tutorial I am going to teach the rest of the part of the main form. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.